Ano ba ang mga other products that helps to minimize the pores? Ako mga ka-Diyosa, since nagkakaedad na tayo, I highly suggest to include this on your skincare routine. This is Superstar Bachucol Matsutake PDRN, and this is 10,000 ppm. Kaya tingnan nyo yung skin ko mga ka-Diyosa. Hindi masyadong visible ang aking pores. Kasi talagang inaalagaan ko ang aking elasticity and skin texture. You can see the pores, minimize siya, hindi siya halata, refine. You have to invest in a really great product that helps to stimulate your collagen production, improve your skin texture, na third dimension dermal layer and penetration. So, nasi-stimulate niya yung collagen and integrins. So, natutulungan niya to improve the skin texture na nai-improve din ang pagka-open ng pores mo. So, pa nag-i-improve yung skin texture, nagkakaroon ng pore minimizing because we are targeting the collagen and elasticity. This is Nanopeptides Youth Preserve Moisturizer with natural exosomes. Plus, if you want to include this para perfect combination, this is Superstar Bachucol. Bachucol is organic alternative ni retinol na may Matsutake PDRN 10,000 ppm. Include this on your skincare routine while inaayos yung melasma, acne, or other problems nyo. At least para refined and minimize yung pores.